Generating images with the Midjourney required certain aspects to address in order to get accurate results. Aspects like direction, camera angles, and shot type help AI to know what type of images you want to generate. I am revealing the exact direction you need to enter to prompt, so the Midjourney bot will lead you to the desired results. We will start with the direction of the shot. A centered view style helps you to get the images with a direct front-face engagement, like images with a beautiful girl under the swimming pool and this Batman eating pizza image, for instance. This alignment preserves facial symmetry and presents a distinct, concentrated depiction of the subject as you are seeing on your screen right now. Side profile offers a fresh vantage point that accentuates facial contours. It reveals the exact side pose of the mentioned object. Like this beautiful girl with the blue hat is amazingly drawn with so much perfection, highlighting the nose, lips, and jawline silhouette. Moreover, the image of soldier smoking cigarettes in the battlefield is yet another perfect creation. Another quarter turn reveals the enigmatic back view, which is the most demanding and the best style modifier to create images with suspense in the frame. The absence of facial visibility, like this back view shot of a Viking shield maiden, prompts speculation about the subject appearance, and expressions guided by the scene additional elements. The three-quarter view is basically bridging the gap between the front and the side view. It enriches the facial depth and gives a more organic feel than the direct portrait. Like Pikachu and Batman's images, they are not exactly in the side pose but somehow in the middle between the side and front. Experiment with these diverse orientations to discover their unique narrative impacts on your composition. Now, discuss the second pillar of camera control. That is angle, a transformative element that infuses dynamism and perspective into imagery. Low-angle shot is first in our camera angle list. The low angle shooting from beneath dramatizes the scene, elevating the subject's stature and authority. Look at his Viking shield maiden riding on a horse. Each image has a special taste in it. The high-angle shot, on the other hand, diminishes the subject, evoking vulnerability or isolation, yet can also highlight them against their backdrop. This shot works equally with the human character, as did for this mech gameplay screenshot. That is not all. The wide angle encompasses a broad scene ideal for landscape immersion. Like this lady in the snow-covered mountains, captures so many details in the frame. A perfect establishing shot. Moreover, there is a hiccup in the wider angle shot. Specification in subject detail can inadvertently narrow the focus. Like I use clear facial features, blonde hair, and gray eyes. And you can see it completely changes. Compared to the result we got without mentioning these precise details, extreme variations pull back further, contrasting the subject with their vast surroundings to evoke solitude. Overhead view creates a unique perspective to bring unique details to the shot, like these Batman versus Superman fighting shots, or even this girl sitting on the beach creates a unique drone footage-like shot. Similarly, bird's eye view brings wider angle details to the canvas. Somehow equal to the drone shot, but a bird's eye view brings results a bit angled view. There are some additional angles, like the point of view angle, immerses the viewer in a first-person narrative. Selfie shots, though less prevalent, but still feature prominently on social media and can be dynamically enhanced by integrating various camera angles along with certain styles. Shifting gears to shot types, consider this as the special relationship between camera and subject. Close-up immerses us in intimacy with the subject, focusing on the head and neck to spotlight eyes, nose, and lips. Additionally, it captures the detail in a much more focused aspect and is ideal for capturing the details of expression. For an intensified focus, the extreme close-up zooms on minute details, such as the intricacies of the eyes or the texture of fabric, proving its versatility beyond human subjects to include the animal kingdom, like this eagle extreme close-up shot. The mid-shot close-up, framing from the chest upwards, offers detail without the proximity of a close-up shot. Next is a full-body shot, capturing the subject in its entirety, offering a fuller portrayal of their stature. This style most of the time works perfectly in 2x3, 1x1, or even 9x16. The three pillars of photographic composition include the viewpoint relative to the subject, the chosen camera angle, and the distance from the subject, denoted by the shot type. These elements can be creatively combined to craft visually compelling images. For instance, capturing our subject from the side profile with a full body frame and a wide-angle lens can illuminate the vibrant essence of London streets.